So guys, recall that recently I made a post talking about some of my things that we are made away with, that these people made away with during that August, the 1st of August protest. So somebody messaged me and say they want to support me and all that. So this person, you know, asked me what I would like to, the little amount that she has, what the money can do for me. I said, okay, that any amount that she has, that she can send, while I also, maybe if the money cannot get what I want, I'm going to add something to it. So this thing has been on my mind to get, including set of pots for my videos. Everything is gradual process. I bought set of pots, three set of pots before that incident happened. I wanted to unbox that pot. I wanted to unbox that pot in September, 1st of September, because I bought it ending of July. So I wanted to unbox it. Okay, I bought it first week of August. Next, ending of July, I think. So I wanted to unbox it before that incident happened. And these people took that pot that I have not even used that pot for once. And I bought that pot over 100,000 something. I bought that pot 100,000 something. Non-stick pot. Only God knows anyway. So this one is what I had in mind to get before. Like after that pot, this was the next thing I had in mind. But due to the fact that that thing happened, I couldn't get it. So today I had to get the money and I got it. I know it's not much, but it's much. I will believe in you guys in the comment section to tell me how much you think this costs. So I got this today. Kitchenware set, a good helper in the kitchen. So guys, I don't have a very big background to make videos. My ring light was also taken. It was part of the thing that they took. So I would have used my ring light to make video, so you see everything. But in the absence of that, I'm still going to take this out. So guys, here it is. So it's a set of spoons and okay. It also has chopping board, a small chopping board. Guys, tell me, how much do you think this thing is going to cost? So these are the different types of knives that it has. The different types of knives that it has. Let me just show you guys. There are different types of knives that it has. So this one, it has this. It has this. This. It also has this knife. This is where you can put, it when you are not using it or when you wash it, so that it can easily dry. It also has this one. It has scissors and it has set of spoons, guys. It has set of spoons, guys. Like different set of spoons. I don't know. Let me just be fast with this because my phone is almost giving me a sign to flow. So these are the spoons. It has this. It has this. It has this. It has this. It has lots and lots and lots. It has this one. It has this one. It has brush. It has this as well. And it has tongue. It has cooking tongue. So that's it. Thank you guys. Bye bye. See you soon.